Hi, my name is Cyril Treacy and I work in technology and I'm based in Dublin. I've been surprised at how much money I've actually saved. You know, switching to the two EVs and having them charged on solar has saved me over €10,000. So I've already got my money back for the investment in the system. The system generated 4,500 kilowatt hours, which is actually more than the average use of 4,200. So solar works in Ireland. You often hear, we get a lot of rain, but it only rains in Dublin 160 days a year. So you get sun on the other days to kind of make up for it. Yeah, so I went to a sustainability engineer and he ran a tender process and looked at 3 providers and selected NRG. They have fast experience. I got a 5 kilowatt system installed, a Zappi and an Eddy. And the Eddy does hot water, the Zappi does the car charging. And they're all Wi-Fi enabled and smart, comes with an app, etc. They had it all set up, installed, and we're gone. I think they turned up at 9 o'clock and we're gone at 2 p.m. So this is the Eddy hot water heater, and I can just press a button here and boost it anytime we need hot water. But it runs off the solar panels most of the time and generates enough hot water for the 5 of us in the house. And even yesterday, it worked quite well in February. So My Energy give you an app where you can monitor the usage of the Eddy, and you can see here it consumed 2.5 or 2.6 kilowatts yesterday, and I can see what I imported. I also exported some to the grid. You can see here the Eddy's use and then the home's use. I can see exactly what's going on, and if I want to, I can press a button in the app to actually boost the hot water for 20 minutes from anywhere. I had a great experience with my install. They've been very responsive for the couple of small issues I've had since. It's great to know there's someone on the end of the phone, or you can email them to get support. They're also expanding into one-stop shop, so if you want to get that done, they'll be around for the long term and can help you make your house cosy, warm and energy efficient.